Searching for a job? Stop. Looking for career in IT MNC? Join our free demo? Look no further. Introducing Build network with Senior IT Manager, Senior IT Administrator. Make your dreams come true. Don't just work hard, work smart. Through Evision experts.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikash and I belong to Pratapgarh but currently staying in Mumbai, Goregaon, and I did my graduation in BTech in a computer science engineering in Ajay garg College, Ghaziabad, and I am joined the Evision Technoserve 45 days completed training in this CCNA, and I am placed in Anunta Tech 2.16 LPA package and 11 desktop support engineer. I am Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd is the most important internship training and placement. I am to join the Evision, and courses is a domain name DSCP configuration, DSCP, and Outlook configuration and printer configuration, ITIL troubleshooting. All about courses is very helpful to the ma'am and sir to guide the HRs and Priya ma'am, and that's all about me.
Learn from the best. Boost your IT technical skills. And more. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity to be a part of IT MNC. Job bole to Evision.